Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Shift UI inside. Today we need to say this here the promo code list. Pop-up UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this design is at the Figma. Need to open and look like this here the UI we need to develop in here. First of all, we need to this pop-up already maybe we need to make inside here the select size. We need to like here need to show like this here. We need to making here, but we need to use these codes and to inside and to make like this here the designs need to find out here first of all, and we need to go inside here the products, and here this is the size, select size UI. We need to copy here for this here this sheets. Now we need to go inside this here the back tabs and we need to paste this here this codes, and now need to change this here the promo codes size. We need to replace with here the promo code like here, and we need to use this here the flags. Go here and when to set this here the state variables where declares, and when to set here this ones by default. We need to set this here the false directly set like this here, no need to declare here the type by default take here. Now then after, so need to find out here the buttons of this here the arrow forwards and paste this into set here the true like here. So need to set it here, and then after, so need to making here the clean this here all codes no needs. Now need to clean here, and like need to making here this tag need to put it here. Then after, so need to making here the need to change this here 15s, like so need to set at this here the spacings, remove this here the scroll no needs. Now need to clean. Then after, so need to making here the UI of this here. So need to first of all the copying here this promo codes. This ones need to need this here same as it is. Need to paste this here this inside this sheets and remove this one. These buttons need to clean here, and need to set here the horizontal space given this here the its spacings need to given this here, and the promo code show like this here the this data need to put it here. So now need to show this here the title text. Need to copy anyone this ones, and we need to paste here, and we need to applying this here the this UI trading slash after this years set here the max left like here. So we need to set it this years, and we need to set this years your promo codes like this. We need to set here titles, change this here the font size. We need to as 18 means here the semi bold 18 fonts. We need to use this here for the promo code list. Now need to test here how look like this here the showing for this UI. Need to go here, and you need to select this here tab here and show like this here. Maybe need to give this here the horizontal space given this here the 8 like here, and to fix this here the space issue, set here the color primary text like here, and again so open this here, and show like this here similar to UI. For this data we need to showing this here, also need to creating like this here the scroll view make here, and then after, so need to make this here the prem as a prem. Set here the height of need to given this here the screen percentage for this scroll view, screen height like here multiply 0.3% given this here the height. Now need to create here the lazy fish tag, and we need to use this here the spacing 15 like true here. Inside we need to make this here the for each loop with data, need to set here the static data. Now need to set here the 10 and need to give this here the id columns dot slash dot self and set here the indexed in like so need to put it here. Now make here the UI. We need this here first of all the making here the this data. We need to create here the horizontal stack like here. Need to set here the prem height. Fix height, so need to setting here. Set here the prem height and we need to set here the 100 and alignments need to alignment use this here the center dot centers need to use this here for this alignment like set here. Then after need to set here the background colors. Yes, important for here need to using here the background color white. Then after the clip shape, so need to use this here, so need to set here the round red. Corner size radius, so need to set this here the 10. Yes, like this. And we need to set here the shadow of this UI shadow. Set here the radius. Need to set here the 2 and Y also set here the 2. Set here the color importance here. This one is the use this here the black colors with opacity 0.1. Look like this are the setting here. First of all need to set this UI. Go here back and show like this here. Sure or not sure. Maybe into inside not data. That's why I need to not showing here these colors. Now we need to make inside here the Z stacks like yours and we need to set it this here the UI. First ones need to put here the image and use this here the image p1 already put it here inside the sets. Need to resizable set here the scale to fit. Now need to set here the frame. Give this here the width and height. So need to set this here the pix as 100 like years and alignments need to dot centers. Against same frame we need to put it here for the scroll and we need to set here the background color inside color dot primary app and set like this here. Then after set here the corner radius with here the corner radius need to custom methods need to use this here the set here 10 and top left and bottom left. Bottom left given this here this corners we need to set it here for UI similar to here. Now need to showing like this here the how many percentage of the given this here the ops show this here the text need to create here the horizontal stack like here and make this here the spacings most important part set here the zero spacing 0 and we need to set here the text 10 and B34 foreground style. Need to set here the color primary text and we need to create here the wish tag like here's again we need to copy this one text and we need to set it this here the fonts. Use this here the custom font extension methods need to call this here. Set here the bold and 14. Set here the percentage. Again, so need to copy this text paste this here and we need to write down here the text as offer of like here. So need to set it here this all things and make here the another stick max left. And we need to test here how look like this show this image. Restarting this here, show here the bags, select here and similar to UI, need to show here as per UI, need to set it here. Now need to make this here the showing here the promo code text. Now need to this horizontal text inside, you need to set here the waste tag and we need to set it here the text. We need to copy this one two text fields, we need to delete here. And first ones, we need to give this here the personal offers as a titles. And we need to set this here the fonts as a medium. We need to use this here the medium 14 M14 like here. And then after we need to set here regular font R11 and primary text. Like this sets here and to set this here the max left like here. Again, so we need to copy, cut this here and we need to create. Now we need to show this here the remaining days, how many date we need to remaining for this, use this promo codes. Set here the regular 11 font and use this here the placeholder color. Now we need to make here the button round buttons and we need to set here the title, apply, and we need to remove here icons and we need to give this here the heights. We need to set this here the 35 and style no needs. Now need to clean here. So also need to place event, remove this code and check this here the height state. We need to use these ones like this letter adds, but we need to explain here and to change this heights. Two line of codes we need to change here. So need to set here the dynamically like here. Now need to test here how look like this here the showing here. Select your bag, select these ones and show need this here the given same paddings you need to set as per UI. Need to set here the some padding issue, need to fix this here. Need to set here this text, we need to set here the padding as need to set this here the trailing and need to set here the 8 and then after shadow this tag we need to given this here the horizontal 8 is good for as per UI. Now need to restart this here and to show this here the UI. And now fix this here showing good here the shadow as well as for this UI. Need to show this here display good. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.